Hi guys, Emma from Virtual Weddings here. I wanted to make this video today to show you how to use one of these VR headsets. So this is the higher end of the commercial VR mobile device headset. And with that, you'll have a few extra functions that will make all the difference to your viewing. You'll have this padded piece that will run around. Now that has two functions. It makes the headset comfortable on your face while you're wearing the VR headset, but it also stops light leakage coming in while you're viewing your content. On the inside, you have these lenses and they can be rotated. The reason for that is to adjust the focus. So if you're having any issues with blurry vision while you're watching your content, do check whether you can adjust your lenses or not and give that a go. Okay, so if you open the back, this is where we're going to place our mobile device. And you can see right here, there's a divider between the two lenses. Now that's really important because we're going to line this up with our footage to feed the images to each eye clearly. Now to interact with this, you're going to need a mobile device. Whether the content is 360 content that we've made you, whether you go to YouTube and you search for 360 content, you'll access it the same way if you're using YouTube. Open the app, look for whatever footage it is that you are going to play in your video. I'm going to search for Sean and Meg's Facebook video, as you can see. We're going to click on that and it's going to start playing at the top of our phone. Now, to fully interact with this, we're going to need to turn our mobile phone sideways so that we have full screen. Now, as you can see, you'll be able to interact with the 360 sphere without putting it into your headset. So you can take a look around and use your mobile phone or your iPad as a viewing device like this. For the full VR experience, you're going to want to tap on the image. And you can see this cardboard goggles icon here. Comes up in the corner there. We're going to tap on this, and when we tap on this, our screen is going to split into two. Now this divide is exactly where we want to place the divider that we looked at in our headset. So we're going to place our phone into the headset, and we're going to line up the footage and the divider, and we're going to close the headset. Now you're ready to have a VR experience. So now your content is in here, you'll be able to look right around you and feel as though you are fully immersed in the video footage that you are watching. Do remember safety, guys, and remember that while you're interacting in a VR capacity, to make sure that there is space around you and make sure you don't try and walk into the video footage that you are watching. So I hope that was helpful, and if you guys have any questions for this headset or anything similar, post comments below and I will get back to you. And I will do a separate video for the Google Cardboard type headsets, which we often send out, on how to construct that and how to use those in the same way. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if I can answer any questions for you guys. Have a good day.